Yeah, buddy. Three Lusot. Three Lusot. What's your name?
James.
James what?
James English.
English.
English. All right. James Smith. We got Uncle Sam in the house. Whoa, my gosh. That's swimming. Ah!
Oh what?
You don't have to do that like that.
You have to do that 3 times, 3 times.
Relax.
Yeah, man.
James, go, James.
Humiliation.
That's one.
That's one. James, go.
James, you can do it.
All right. Yeah, buddy. Oh. He lost 3 times on knockdown. Knockout. Yeah. One more, James, go. Woo!
Close up, say cheese.
Say G. Ah! Captain America, here we go. No, that's what you get for not wearing shoes. Look at shoes. Look at your socks. You got a lot of holes on it now.
James.
James. Yeehaw. Yep, this is the second tryout of Fike basketball team. Second tryout with this guys, and of course me. You know me. Yeah, James. You just got initiated.